Hello everyone. Today's question is ransom note. Given an arbitrary ransom note string and another string containing letter from all the magazines, write a function that will return true if ransom note can be constructed from the magazines. Otherwise, it will return false. Each letter in the magazine's string can be used once in your ransom note. So now we will understand this problem with pen and paper. Then we will move to the coding part. So here is our example. Magazine string is AB and ransom note string is AA. So according to this problem statement, our ransom note must be constructed from magazine, then we will return true. We check A is present in magazines. Yes, A is present. And there is another rule, that is in each letter in magazine can be used once in your ransom note. So whenever ransom note string is matched with magazine string, then we will remove it and then we will check another and it is matched. No, there is no another A, so we simply return false. Now we understand with another example. So magazine is AB, ADC, JP, K. So our ransom node is ACB. We check A, yes, then we remove it and check C, yes, C, and remove it, and check B, yes, B is present, and remove it. So now our answer is true. Now we will solve this problem using Python dictionary. So first we scan all letter in magazine and store it in dictionary. First letter A is in dictionary, no, A is not in dictionary. Then add A as a key and value as a 1 and check A is present, yes, A is present. Then we increment the count 1 and C is present, no, C is not present. We add C in key and 1 as a value and check B and store it and B again, and then we increment. If it is present, then we simply increment 1 and J 1 and D 1. Now we check ransom note value in dictionary. If the ransom note value in dictionary is greater than 1 means true. If less than 1 means we simply return false. Check A. If the value is less than 1, then we will return false. If the value is greater than 1, then we will decrement the value. If it is present means check the value is greater than 1, so we decrement the value by 1 cause we use it in ransom note. So now we check D value is greater than 1, yes, D value is greater than 1, then we will reduce -1. Now our D is 0. So we check for B. So B value in dictionary is greater than 1, yes, it is greater than 1, then we will use it and reduce -1. When we use it from magazine, then we will reduce the count. So now we will write this code for this problem. And first we will take a dictionary magazine, default dictionary. Now we import it from Python collection library. First we store all the letter in dictionary from magazine. So letter in magazine, we check if the letter present. If dictionary.get L means the letter present in dictionary, then we'll increment the value of this letter. So now we check. So now we check else this is not present. Then we assign the letter as a key and as a value 1. Now we check for letter in ransom note. If dictionary.get letter lesser equals to 1 means this letter is not present in magazine, we return false and exit our program. If the letter is greater than dictionary.mag is greater than 1, then we'll reduce the letter count from magazine and return at the end we will return true. Oh sorry, that's my bad, this is dixt. Yeah, now we'll run it. Yeah, running successfully and submit it. Yes, got accepted. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this.